Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your electronic parking brake with auto hold in the 2025 Kia Sorento. I have in front of me here an EX 2.5 turbo all-wheel drive in glacial white pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the electronic parking brake button is right down here in the center console at the bottom, this big P button. So when we're ready to engage it, we're going to go ahead and lightly pull up on that big P button. Your foot does not have to be on the brake pedal for it. And you'll see to the left of your instrument cluster is the little symbol to tell us that it's engaged. And when you're ready to turn it off or disengage it, your foot has to be on the brake pedal. You go and lightly press down on that big P button and it will disengage it. If you forgot to put your foot on the brake pedal and you go to turn it off, it will ping in the middle just to remind you to make sure your foot's on the brake pedal before turning it off. And if you happen to forget that it was on and you forgot to try and turn it off and you go to put the car in drive, it will turn it off for you. So you can't accidentally drive around with it on. And right now the vehicle is on and I'm in park. If you were to go and open your driver's door, it's going to ping over here just to let you know that it automatically engaged the electronic parking brake just for safety's sake. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. Now the auto hold button is right down here to the left of that big P button. So I'm going to go ahead and press it and it's going to come up in the center of the instrument cluster. Let me know that it's now on. So right now you'll see auto hold is in white. So I'm going to go ahead and put the car in drive. You'll see auto hold is now green. So that means that I can sit here in drive with my foot off of the brake pedal because the car is now holding it for me using the electronic parking brake. Once you're ready to start going, I'm going to go ahead and accelerate. And as soon as we start moving, you'll see it goes white. The next time I bring the vehicle to a complete stop, it goes green again. So that means I can now take my foot off the brake pedal because the car is holding it for me. And if you're done with that, you can just go ahead and hit the auto hold button. Right now we're still in drive. So if you were to go press it to disengage that, it's going to tell you to make sure that you've got your foot on the brake pedal, and then you can go ahead and press it and it will turn it off. And now you're responsible for making sure that you have your foot on the brake pedal properly. Personal preference if you want to use that feature. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.